Gold can get dirty and tarnished over a period of time, and you may have heard of using turmeric to clean gold. Yes, it is a natural substance and doesn't seem corrosive, but it is more commonly used for medicines and cooking. Turmeric latte, anyone? It is also commonly used for cosmetic purposes. However, in some traditional practices, turmeric has been used to give gold ornaments a temporary shine or to cleanse them ceremonially. But the short answer is no. It is not recommended that you use turmeric to clean your gold jewelry. Why turmeric isn't ideal for cleaning gold? The first reason is staining. Turmeric has a strong yellow pigment called curcumin that can stain gold jewelry, especially if it has a delicate design or porous areas. The second reason is lack of cleaning agents. It does not contain any chemicals or properties that effectively remove tarnish or dirt from gold. There are plenty of other DIY alternatives to clean gold at home. Check out these videos for more on that. Was this useful? Like, share, and subscribe for more such bite-sized tips.